Blay Pibaro Shakatuk Khuborjylla ke donbosco Media Network. Kimat bakong san menta kesengi kilong. Theli ki kot skul hayo hahan. Kesorkar bamsap Bashir K jong Menteri Rangba Narendra Modi keno kiliang Persya. Ke Red Fest ke Tamasa Pertashla Persya ya ke HIV. Bat Ot ke Hill Farmers Union ya ke Jinghiar Dor Usensa. Bat mentangin pa syaki Khubor bakham benya. Kejing penkela sendat ke sorkari ki kot pulih syllabus jong ke embos syaki kot pulih jong ke National Council of Educational Research and Training NCRT hakani ke snem kala pelong ki karkhana shon kot ban penbiang ya ki kot kisla hayo hahat. Kini kejing kerdu bat jing theli ki kot haki dukan kala pelong ya ki kimi ki kpa bat ki kena skul ban linear kliang liang liang hakani kapor. Kesorkar Meghalaya kamshim la plan sanibha haba kashim ya karai ban penkela ya ki syllabus na embos ya NCRT kumta lami kini kijing habalas dang play ya ki school how news nem thamai
bar kijing kaba ni kini kisni ba kibubon ki kimi kipa kila uat lanam anor kajing bungdan ya kita ki textbook thamai takum ka NCRT ya ka bala prescribe ka embos ngum taus na bat ni ba kibubon ki kimi kipa ba kila pa kijing ka bakha bu ki marba abakilai panwa ya kimi ki got kata untuk ya ke English ke Maths ke Science haki jaka dikot ki badan hakeleng juga ni ganung ba Shillong kimi district ro kimshim na yo kita ki kot marba kidung di gila batai ba kemdan ya ta production Henry nakleng keseng nila yo banyakran bat minister concern jongkan ni ka department bat the batai ni ba production jogi di kikot thamai kat kun ka NCRT kadan ko production ka ba pura kebabiang bat ikirman skam ba hakini kisni nakleng ka education department kan salapan in pilot ya ki ni kikot kita ikini ki English ka science bat maths sabaro ki kena puli bat kumjuru sa school bat kulong ba ilayo ro contact bat ki publisher bat nakaleng ki publisher ki long ba ka production jepli ka jongki ki kot ese ki hot ni namar ba ni supo pa kadai ka jike ka bukra tentang ya ki parents ki kena puli dari kini biak school mereka dan duk kejing ka department ni namar ba kadai ka namar ki wara ka changes news nam reba rengit skam bat nila tu yo education minister nation ki amador ben pitikna ba po kini ki arnai tayo kini ki kot kini lai kini ki kot ki bode ki kot batongkam kat kon ka NCRT nam ta ki kena puli juga embos nak ban penpai nok mador syaki kena puli semua ban penparu ha bade kini kuat ba semua ro ban ong ba nakliang jong tadi ke isu ni yo ni kran ya thiru bat i minister concern no luar lemar bunyi iba dan we MLA nakliang ka iba baret adibat iba laris ke isu meni na po assembly luar ka jing rampalat jong kita by school bat kumjuru luar kata ka jing rampalat jong kikot islam apo kan ka jalan kuliah haki school bat nakliang keseng di kwa ban syukur ya ki bor penyak dan baki press media di bor penyak school apo kami ka jalan kuliah iba koi bakin Desi kin peknya bang halor kani ka jungkiu dua perat jong ka by school.
Kinong yelam hakaliang Persya bakentup yu Matthew Anthony, National Spokesperson and Media Coordinator ka North East India, ubat Ronnie Willingdor, Saling Sangma, Chief Whip kaliang Persya ha Meghalaya, bat Sanjay Das, General Secretary ka Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee MPCC, kilaong bakapor kadang sa sekendiat tayo baka sorkar jong Menteri Rangba Narendra Modi kan penkut posnem kajing sensyar. Yakini ki posnem kidkot kaliang Persya kin ay nam da kakerteng posnem ki kamban ben ki pat ba beduk kari India. Kita ki potli ki kamban ben jong sorkar Menteri Rangba Narendra Modi kilong kini ki pang. Sya ban ben hakayo kakot haka imlang salang haka san perthai, haka jingker do ki kam ki jam, haka jingkiu ke spa tang hapedeng ki bariu spa bat kinong kayi he seng, ka jingjur ka jingduk jingker do, ka jingkiu ki dor ki mur jang ki marbam, kumbarengkang ki syri, ki balabu ki baduk barangli, haka jingkordit haka leng kari India, kamtam haka ni kathan jong kari India. Kini kinong elam kila kentu bakapor kalapoi ban kaang bat hala jam, ya kini ki kamban ben jong ka sorkar ya kirit kiriya.
Now when they are protesting again for the unfulfilled promise of the government of India, you are receiving them with nails in the road. You are receiving them with tear gas, pellets. Is that the way to receive our farmers? Doesn't the government have the courage to enter into a conversation with protesting farmers? Why are you insulting them? Isn't this an injustice? If you are not having the courage to address the farmers, they are also looking at the Prime Minister doing all sort of dramas to please a certain section of the people. And doesn't he have the courage, or is he knowingly ignoring the farmers? That's a question which we raise to you. And in the northeast, the tribal communities, we all are from the minority community. I too belong to that community. Look at the minority persecutions which is happening. Almost 289 religious institutions have been vandalized in this country. 70,000 people have to be relocated. And in Assam, you know that the right-wing extremist, with the support, silent support of the government, is asking the minority community members to take away the minority symbols from the institutions. The priests and nuns have been asked to remove their religious dresses. Is this fair? Then, if they have the courage to ask the priests and nuns to remove the dresses of one particular community, do they have the courage to ask the people of their community or any other community to remove their religious dresses? It should be the same to all of them. The investigative agencies, the media, all have been pressurized. Aren't we going into a dictatorship? We distributed chocolates to you with love. We said you can criticize us, you can ask us questions. It might be difficult questions. Sometimes, as a political party, we may not have the answers or we may not have the best of the solutions. But whenever Congress has ruled, we have never rushed on political decisions because we always found that it is always better to take time and decide rather than rushing on decisions and hurting the people. That's exactly what we are trying to do. And this is what is happening right now. Do you want the institutions of this country which put the balance to be burned? You see right now in Himachal, why did the BJP wanted to put candidates when they don't have the numbers? In the states of Karnataka, we never put an extra candidate. Why did the BJP wanted to put an extra candidate and ruin the democracy which are elected and chosen by the people? They split NCP, they split Shiv Sena in Maharashtra. They killed a democratically elected government. The power of money, the power of abuse of the government, the power of muscle is being used. If you don't agree, CBI, enforcement and everybody will come to your home. How many of you want to go in prison? None of us wants to go into prison. So this is exactly what they're doing. So this is exactly the injustice meant. So what is there for Meghalaya? Because in the coming elections, Meghalaya has got 2 seats. We want to bring this injustice to the people of Meghalaya. We want them to think, we request them to think with an open mind. Never fall for this jingoism, never fall for this lies, the blatant lies. Think like an ordinary person. What if this happens in your family? What if this happens with your parents and your children? Won't you think and make a logical decision? And Congress as a party has always fought for the people. We might have made mistakes while we are governing because it's natural to have mistakes, but we never ran away from it. We tried to correct our mistakes and we tried to
National AIDS Control Society NACS, Ringkat baka Meghalaya AIDS Control Society MACS. Kila pelong ya ketamasa Red Fest hamau diang-diang haka arpu pratarek Rymphang. Ban pertashla persya ya kini kejingpang besyirkhay kabala kelang ha kini kejek menta. Da kijing kentu bat jing hikai babonjat lasning lakra wiki Samla shinrang bat kenthay banem yile akai bat pelong kam sngoba thala ya kejinglong bekerpang shinrang kenthay yala kejong kemet balapu kerpang ublay ban roy ban man bat ban kha ban pun. Kejingpang HIV karoy bat kersoy nagikam auria babonjat.
The impact of investment in a child, because we have not truly helped the child if you have not treated him or her for HIV, but do not vaccinate the same against measles, we have not truly helped a high-risk group person if you have given him the highly active antiretroviral therapy, but leave his depression untreated. We have not truly helped a sex worker if you have given her STI screening, but not cancer screening. We have not truly helped the community if we are distributing condoms, but we are not providing drug cessation services. Universal health coverage means all people and access to all health services, and all diseases and conditions should be controlled. Now I call upon all of you to harness the same energy and passion and with the same resources to achieve universal health coverage. And that is how we will defeat AIDS and build a healthier, safer, fairer world for everyone, everywhere. And I hope you are all with me. I hope you are all ready for these challenges, and I hope you are all going to go back with a message that will be conveyed in this program. And I wish you all the very best. Please enjoy the program, but at the same time, please ensure the messages are conveyed. Thank you.
The tradition, scenic beauty and natural resources. And I'm happy that this year the Red Fest Northeast Multimedia campaign is being organized in the abode of clouds that is also famous for its rich biodiversity. I take this opportunity to thank the government of Meghalaya and the Meghalaya State AIDS Control Society for holding this important event at Shillong. Every year, National AIDS Control Organization organizes campaign in all the northeastern states in collaboration with the state AIDS control societies. This keeping in mind especially that by involving the youth, we can help in spreading the awareness, the compassion, the educational support around the issue of HIV, AIDS and sexually transmitted infections. So the idea of unifying the state level campaigns and it is to bring together the collaborated efforts from all the northeastern states under one umbrella. Here that today we'll be having the bands here, which from each and every of the northeastern state they present there and give you the message across. And today that we can see the spirit of the youth here, how vibrant they are. And they are celebrating each and everyone's presence with one motto in mind, that is to raise their voice against HIV, STI and AIDS. This helps to bring us together. This is like beyond geographies. We need to spread.
Unong yalam ke Hill Farmers Union ubak Commander Shangpliang ula ut halor ke jing jenjar jong kinong rep na keleng kilum khasi jantia ya ke jing hiar dor jong sensar hakni ka yom. Uni orang ba ula le ikendu ikinong peniat jong kami kofet banwat jing tip bat banlap ikadau tenrai bali kedor jong sensar katat hadu kat ni hakni ka yom. La shem bikidon arteli kidau bokong san kibala pelong ya uniu marep ban hiar dor hakni Khubor. Kini kidau kilong kajing one day pahu kinong rep ha kaju Khubor kabala pelong iki mahajan ban shem shitom ban chalan kloilan syaki yau jong kari India bad ha kaju Khubor ki kudam jong ki kimla ban ngiam kat kum kajing tuit kamar hayau hahat la ban kedau hang ni deki pautli ki kali ki bawan kit sensar lani senyam na riboy bat riwar ki yenglan bun kenta ha kherdop jong ka kudam mikofet ha mauyong ha kini kita yau balala. Kinong rep kini ban sngau thu ha bahiar ka dor kamur kapin isyai ba usensar ula paho hayau hahat. Kumta kini ban bushwa halayeng lasem bat ban one day pat yau endala sting ka yau bat kiu ka dor kamur. Kambiang tang ban keno iki mahajan ki basyalan syaki yau kari India bagi penhiar dor ya umar rep jongki.
Ka kenhun tengiwan hagane kasngi hagerteng jong ka Hill Farmer Union tenga syukwa ban pensyai ba ngihi ka Hill Farmer Union ngimdei re bangiwan tang nam tagid khot jong ka Hill Farmer Union ndrei kemut nam tabar khoi kinong rep sensar bat nam taki wi ru ki marep ki badan haga Jylla te mentaka sngi ki nong rep na ki thain mau senram nang tani ki nabhoi nang tabat kui ki jeka kila pentip yangi bakin ba ki kwa ban wan jingok hang ne hapo mekofet ka badai ka kat khayiba jong kinong rep te rengkat ban ngi laywan mentaka singi te pilayo ban sakhi hi ka dawhi kalong namar ba kini ke jinghyar dor jong ni usunsar kala penyap nong shibun ya kinong rep pi kinong rep namar kinong rep Jylla kidon bun bun ki benta kidon ki jaka ki barep sensar dan ki jaka ki barep upan dan ki jaka ki barep ya u piskot sabat kumta teter te kinong rep sensar ki badai ni ke tan riwar bat ki wei ki jaka ki yo ban krishan school ki yo ban krishan ki khun ki lengba kane ke kamrep sensar ndai menta usnem ki ladon ru ki ba funingi ba wat tang ban ai ya ka bai kot bai slar ku myo shu namar ka jing hiardor jong uni usensar te nakleng jungi kum kaseng da ka jing sokhya ngilawan hang ne menta singi ban kli ke ka daw ka ba penlong ya ne usensar ba un hiardor no kane kane te ngisung thu ba kinong khai hi kidon ka bor ban control ya ban control ya ne usensar la kalong nong khai ha kane ka jaka jungi ka Jylla jungi bat la kalong ki nong khai ki bari shabar jakla ni katkum ki jing ya stu jungi ki ong ba ubun umar te ki penhiardor te ka jingbun umar jung ki ngimtip ha kanur kom yo le ki stop shwa kin sa pen kiudor hadin fi kane ka di ka but jong ki te ngi ngimtip te nakatraw ngi la ya kerja bi hang ne bangi ong phidi ban pen kiu ba alis thang ban im kinong rap te re nakleng juki menta ki kwa ban pen pau ban pen iya kata ka jing hana bangi mla ban pen kiudor te kawai kalat hi hoj kumbalaya keren dai wei na ki paranong rep ngidon kam ya kata ka minimum support price ka minimum support price ka dei ka kador hakaba kinong rep kimdei kin bandu nong la kan sa ni rejing shisha nak leng jung secretary ba alfa ning ladep ya keren bat di minister tingi scam bala syai ka singi ngin sayo ban ya kendu i ini keren bat i hakabede ba kene ka jing hiar dor palat jung ni usensar bat kum ka seng hi ngilong ka jing sukya ni kentu ya kini ki nong khayi nang ni alis bala kumno kimdei ban knyot dor pi ngiyo ka jing ujor ru ba ki peniang khnang ye kini ki kali ru kumba shimet armet hadin katu pada kin sayo ban knyot dor dangi kli kata ki ong em ngimle kumta maki kinom ong hira kata tabangi suthu ki wara da ki lai phujai ki lai phu rukom da kumno nalor ba hiar dor khnang ba kinang yo ban susu ban knyot ye kador te andre nak leng jungi hi ngi kwa ba ki hoj ngi kwa ngi don kam ye kinong khayi tamba kimdei kin bakin knyot dor ban pen du nong yo nong rap nalor ba pilaya su kijing batai kajing tray kalong ka ba shitom nalor kata pi kum kanuksa haba mentau sanpho dingka kador tang ka bai lei phut kala shong dor lupa khasaningka te nang ta hadu kinda that pade ndala that utu na shubu mentang yo shispa kilo hadin bala that la poi no shekin ro pho sanpho dingka lamar shiteng ngamul bodong sanpho kilo te kala wara kajing du nong ngin ka bakrau te ngi kwa ba laknum no kinong khayiru kin suthu ya kata bar government ru kadi bersimkia balak mno kadi penteri kamno ya ka minimum support price wi kani kijing ki minimum support price kadi hakari India hi bro ka wai bat nagleng jungi kum kaseng hi ngiyang scam mdei tang yu sunsaru ki wai koi ki maru ngidi ban yo ya ka minimum support price khanang ba kinong rep kin beteng ya kam rep kamriang namar lada umdon shu unong rep tingin ya bam iu ngimiala ban ya bam pisa ngimiala ban bam ksiar ngimiala ban shibam da petrol ngin haban bam ya ka bam te kinong rep kidi ban im bat ngajuong ya kene barabor ba ladahi kinong rep kidang hiar ka sorkar kamla ban kam bakan kiu bat nginumpoi hiru ya kata ka target ka baka sorkar kabu ya kata ka 10 billion dollar lada kinong rep kijongi kidang hiar arsut
Ka Industrial Development Bank of India IDBI kelepli ketenak terekam themai jongka nongstan haka arpu prater Rymphang lepli pat ba ya kini ketenat berthemai jongka IDBI de uba HK Thaba ADC ke West Khasi Hills ke Mukongsan baru bakti dengan BDO ke Nongstan Sin Adi Blok ke Musembut Kongsan. Kirang ba berkentup iu sordar uba S Rashir rengkat kirang ba nekidong jongka Nongstan kilawan ban pensingan hakini kesengi pli ya ketenat IDBI. Kakong badari wan kar kalong ke branch manager hakini ketenat Nongstan. Uba thaba ha ka jingkren ula ai jingmut ya ka branch manager ban penjin surru ya ka rukom airam ya ki pat ba jonggathan bar ula ong bah ki por bandang wan ban penyar shu ya ki tenat syakithan nong kendong kum ha Shillong riangdo rambrai mau bat kiwe ki pat ba ka nong stan ki ladap da ka jingkmen bat pediang sngo bah ya ka jingle jong kinong penyat ka IDBI.
License ngal adon hagan nega district. Abon ba ini di DCC meeting di bang ya conduct. DCC gidi ki meetings ki bang Shillong bati banks bagi department bapher te nila chair de to meeting but nila yo yaki petitions yaki request naki brio yaki MLA ban place yo yaki bank hakani ka district kumjor ban place yo yaki branches khamtam shiki thai nam kandam sharam brai mau ed ba shamau shimrat te mentak sni kawai na ka request jang pai ba la fulfill ban yo sa kawai ka bank hakani ka district jungi kata ka IDPI kumang itip hi ka sarkar Meghalaya lingba ka jing tha jong ka sarkar India bangi de mane kata ka financial inclusion ka bamot way pa way nong snong jang ka India de ban yo ya ka bank account de ban dan ka bank account khalang ka objective jong kata ka bank account ko long ba unique schemes baro the benefits jong ka sarkar India jong ka sarkar Meghalaya ki de ban dung ba ka account jong beneficiary the targeted groups te kadang ni ka scheme ka ba ki khat ka pradhan mantri jan dhan yojana na thai baro la ya soi kata ka bamot uno financial ka India ula ban play ka zero balance account hakino mino ki bank ka bamot ubre badokro ula ban play dan kam tang ka voter ID card la ni ka Aadhaar card ban sha ya uta ubre bat ka residential certificate khrang ba kin na ban play ka account but ka sarkar India hi kaile manle ya kan ka DBT direct benefit transfer ki scheme na ki block affair kidan ki old age pension ini ki scheme shispas ni ya ka wages menta nyam aisho kumisra da ka check la da ka cash menta ki scheme baro khoi ka pisa ni pinya in ba ki account ka jing thumu chang ni ka jing bu account ka ba kan num dan show ka corruption kan num dan show ka bribing kanum dan show ka manipulation but kanum leak show kapisa ba thumu ka sarkar ban paisa u beneficiary ka de ban bisa account jung u but ude ban yo bai full amount la da ka sarkar ka ai 3000 de ban 3000 kanum ya show in baki middleman na ki bayara te ka payment ta la de ka digital payment baro na ni ya le ki net banking ni le yo hat ta bona seal da ka GPay da ka PTM ka suk si bot menta mangi badan huni ni lawan kit online through lingba ka mobile phone ni la ban pha sai ki kon ki ba police shabar lani ki bahaying ki bulan shabar in baki net banking kamok shu ko musha ba bajinjar ba habdal shabang kasimpor ki tayo ka ba menta ba lingba ka net banking tang sim na aminet ala ha isa tikini ki IDBI bank ni ki bank ki balong very advanced kitang ka software ki tigidan ki bon ki facilities temta ka dono ki micro ATM dilani ki portable ATM ni jang ka SBI sidan ki ATM ki bale Shillong bo pe de ula ban se ka bisa te hakane ka district ka don ka MRB RCT ka ba ai training ya ki khna ki bakwa ban ya ki business correspondence BC te ni don ki bala certified last hakatayo bla dep ni la plong meeting ba ki bank director jangka MRB RCT ke badan hune hayo Longston ya tu orang badan hado khasau khasanwat ki balada pass ya kata exam BC da business correspondence ula banle banda bisa ban Shillong ban siu la ya ka wages da ki don ya ka account da ki don ka bisa ha ka account dengan syukur pada i branch manager dengan ka IDBI ba shim ya services jom ki business correspondence mentasung dan ke meeting HDC office ni second do lah tu dengan satu itu yaki AJ pada Peit kita di kawai kabangin Peit ya ka health lani ya ka district ka CD ratio bonafit nom ya tip kata nei video
Deputy Chief Minister Jylla ubak Preston Tinsong hak arku pratarik Rymphang ulathung mau nongrim surok rong hasnong umsaw nong bri kini ke surok ke jalan kumba 10 kilometer tam ha ke jinglot ke ba kendai pau pon riupuai lak tingka kabalang Presbyterian umsaw nong bri kan saraki ke jingdap san pau snem Golden Jubilee ke Pastorate House nem arjar arpusan ha kini ke sngi ladon lang ba Mirul Bonds Aim MLA ubak balajit Rani MDC ke Nongpo ubak KK Mawa Secretary PWD Raja Brahma ADC ke Riboy ubak Kurba Executive Engineer ke PHE ubak di Langstang CE ke PWD ubak bidi mau penyang rang ba shnong ke umsaw nong bri bat kiri rang ba na kini kethan
ni hakabidei bat katu memorandum ka bapi ai ka bapi abu kawai kesurok nang ne no sal nong bri ka bapi ong maniat len ba ko ping nak kami sakai siapa den tengah supek molu mana nak kapoi ko ban riu la ni nyau kita kan balat ya kata namar hati ni ki kendiat penai ngadang wan bat ulu kelemeli jompi satai saunden bat ngoi i ya kejing don kam namar katai kejaka kadai kejaka kabalok pedeng bah kam tam adin ba uong unururang ba kadon ka Eastern College Eastern Riboy College Northern Riboy College ngatrai kataru kabanang penpalang susu yang dikesurkan namar balai kan penmentor ya kini kikut Samla jongi kebalik be ya kejaka kabadon kejimpuli dengan kerpat ya engineer jongi bin lechrobe tewo kumno kalong katnu kan poi nang tangan nempat ai karai mentah namar ban suong lepan mentah kalong be in pendek syakawai hadin kawai tang kawai kabangakwa ban ong epi mangi nakaliang jok surga ikwa ba kawai pakawai kasno kan long well connected kaba undon kamshu ban yai kijak kata ketika mission kejongi kata ketika vision kejongi ba kawai pakawai kasno hapo ke Jylla Meghalaya mendot kamsu bajai kijau ini ya dah kali bang ada tu epi kumla ong bang rebon mana ke budget menta arhajar arpusan ke babuntam ke bengi ai kalau nengkong ya ke education ke jingnang ke jingsta bat ke baar kadai ya ke peludi arhajar news pa tam neduna klur bangin pelut house name arhajar arpusau arhajar arpusan nang tak kabalai kadai ka koit kakia kabajan poi saka arhajar klur kini kidai ngalaban ong kibut lo ya kipat ba jok Jylla Meghalaya namala degila banyo kini kilai keling kipat ba jongi kilatip hi kumno ban roi ban pa kumno ban kamai ban gaji bat kumno ru ban nang kiu ate hakayo kakot kata kadi kumango epi kajing angnur jongi nakaliang rasurka bat kata commission ka bangi labu kalau ban yoi baki snong gitau kin yo ya kisurok ki babit ke babia nata ki donru ki bangi ong ki kenjam major district road ki bangi kwa ban nak ki tu ki snong ki balong center ba bangin connect lut ki snong ki barit ki baria ban pensuk ya ki pajba no snong Pada snow day bahaya kini kesurok kaban mi sya umden nang ni nom saw nobri ndai tang umden kajing ang not joma kolong ban penmi hadu ang thia bernihan kan long bypass dan kini kena highway nang ni na saw nobri don kamsu ban le chatai sinong po wat bangini at bek nang ni mi ang tai habo umden ter pinpoy syati sya bernihan hakaba lese kan pensuk kan pensai
Ukertong MP Jangkaseng UDP bat HSPDP uba Robert June Kharjarin ula perta election haka arpu pratarek Rymphang hayau doklun. Hakini ke jingelang Peit ba ladon lang uba Pius Marwen MLA kakong badari tiling do nonglan kepersa ksiu umait Hoping Stone ling do bam kwai dwaro blay uba jes nong siet ba tirot sing sucyang bat bun ba kinongelam na kini ki artli kiseng sanhima. Dekis pangut ki Peit ba kilas ngap di jingkren jingkirang ba bat ukertong namar kedai artat kesngiyau hakini kisnong. Ubak Robert June ulabatai kinong rim bat kijing temu jang ukum ukurtong MP bat kumju ikinong rim jang kiseng kibalapen yang ya
Nyim dawa nagari India. Badai ban pensange mador yang itu ki an kala hakeleng jong kari India ki belakang ya kejing mane light lut ki belakang ya kejing yalap light lut bat ki bala penap kenang ban pen sitom ya ki breu ki badan ya kejing nyim Samla kular kai ban penbit ya pi tang akan election ni la mut sisa ban le ka badan kan kalong balada ba pi PSO sen elang lada sa Khubor ki Kristan lada sa Khubor ki niam trairi hakeleng jong kari India ai ya kakti gamon kakti jong pi phim da don kam ma pi ban lek sari thor ban lek ya khun ma pi ai tang ya kabut ka jong pi kala de ki kamram ka jong ni ban na sait nam ta ka sur ka jong pi hang teri po dor ba ba parliament sakawai na kimat ki bangi larai ban yen rangba akum ka ni ka por ka bam ta kalong ba kumno ngin pen khut pen suba ya kan ka sansar ka khadar ka bala jot ka bala pay bat ka bala ima ha kilian baro in keno eno ya ka jin sator jong ka sansar ka khadar pimben tangelo pimben yu tu breu ubalet na ka wei ka yin jong kurtong sya ka wei jong ka yin kurtong hakawai yin kurtong wong khun upang kli hakawai yin kurtong khun upang gejat hakawai upang kepok sim bisa kat sabasim kajing sniu jo kesansar khadar para lebi kadai ba kinung thebut kala hikai baklai kertong baki kertong ru kem sem lanut ban yeng hala ki jong ki gejat ban keren ya ka bade ban keren ladangi kwa ya kesansar khadar ka bakut kawai ngai skwa ban keren da ka basaya pi kalong bang ngidei ban sim jikit kli ki pajba bat ki kertong bangin dia penkut ya ka nomla ban penkut tang marwei ya ka an penkut kemo tang marwei lada kawai galiang kam ya trelang lada ngi kwa ban yo ya ka sansar ka khadar ka bakut tongen sedang ya ladi ban long ki bakut tongen sedang ban ya jet ya ka ne jing jet nang ne shahmat da ka jing khut da ka jing suba perkhat to puson kapor kaladai yang ngi kum ka jet penriu bangi de ban jet ya kinong yalam ki bala ban ya tai om ya kinong yalam ki ba pendut por tang ban ya nia kaper unong ya tai ba unong ya nia unong ya tai u ya tai da ka jing kit khli ban pen bha ya ki emlang ka salang da ka jingkit kli ban wanra ya karoi kepa kinong yania ha ke babun ki kep ki shu yania tang ban pengsan jubor ya kania lojo udon wai rurang ba ubang baka jai benriu bakan ne kadai ban penne ya lai teli kiki uki uban ni kong kong bangide ban penne ya ka kendau ka jai benriu klem ka kendau kanomla ban seng ya ka ribet ya ka sensar kada Nila puli ya ka history jong ki jiu bakumno ki don kam ya ka Israel ban penlong ya ka ku state hadin bakila sakmano na kan dipakte kade ki kamram ka jonga ka jong pi kum ta parbi ban pendikna ban ngide ban penne pensa ya ka kendau nila persen lemba ka diskonsil ban wanra ya ki an kendau kade ya ka sim ka ban ningkom hakim nyau pong senam jong ka jingdon ka diskonsil balala ban wanra ya ka an kendau hakari khasi jongi ukil bar ngidei ban sim jikit kli ban penne pensa ya ka tien ka thlik ki jongi ini khon ba pendrong ya tin kasi ka chedul ngide ban pen ngide ban ya khon ban penne pensa ya ka tien klem ka tien ka jai ban riu kan sakama ha ki yang baro ngino mailat ya kita kibor ki ba pha keren hindi jubo dangi ngino mailat eta kibor ki ba pha keren jubo ya ka tien jongki halor jongi hot ngamong baban keren ya kino no kiktin kalong ka bakala hari ailat ani bangin jet ya kaktin lojong kat bang yimon ailat ani bangin keren da kamon light lut lojong himde ban penbor mano ban bangin keren beruki ubalai ubalada ni bakala menta ka ab jingma ya kari bakajet lojongi kalong bangi hak ban penne ya kikur lada piong baha penne ya kikur pila ban keli hakano kadur pet baha para ne chaga jat belum bojongi ya ka jing don kam jo ka kur ka jat hak sensar khada ka Om London hima hak ajak ndra wa jongi khun kakur. Dei kakur ka basai ki SM, dei kakur ka basai ki menteri ya ki lendok. Dei ki kur ki basai ya ki dol.
Ke Alpha English High Secondary School Nongpo hak arpu pratarik Rymphang. Kalaraki ke National Science Day da ka bapelong ya ke Science Exhibition halor ki pangjing start beper jong ke science. Ki kena ki bapule hak class 10 jong ke ni ke school ki la yo lat ban pen I ya ke sap ke pong jong ki hak ni ke exhibition ke belapelong hapelau school. Kajing temu jong ke ni ke exhibition kalong ban kentiu ya ki kena hak pule puthi bantur syaprang ban pule ya ki pangjing start beper hak liang ke science na ke benta kalawe jong ki. Ya kini ke science exhibition la play do ba S Bla District Science Supervisor Rymphang District ha ka jingdon lang ke Kong W Bla Principal ke Alpha English High Secondary School u Pastor B Karpateng Vice Principal Babu M Singh kinong hikai bat ki kena puli jong kini ke school.
That means you can control the environment.
Bright future, we should need to save our planet Earth and how to make use of it. Good energy. It will save the environment as it does not pollute at all and does not produce greenhouse effect greenhouse gases. It is green and renewable energy source, and it is one of the cheapest energy source today. And this is a solar panel and are also sometimes called photovoltaics. They collect the energy from the sun in the form of sunlight, which is then converted into electricity. It is also clean to the environment as it does not pollute at all.
Yeah, he received it.
Solar power irrigation system. Solar power irrigation system is a clean technology option for irrigation, allowing the use of solar energy for water pumping and replacing fossil fuels for irrigation purposes. And it reduces greenhouse gases emission from irrigated agriculture. And this model represents how the irrigation system operates using solar energy. So my friend will explain.
So now what happened here is that these solar panels, it absorb or collect the photons from the sunlight and convert it into electricity that provides energy for the motors to pump waters out from the well or from any other water source. And this is the water tank that the water is being filled in, and it is through this pipe that the water is being transported from the field. This is the pump controller. That's all.
This is good idea towards.
If you boil water, that is science. If you cook rice, that is science. If you put water in a glass in the fridge, that's also science. So everything that you do is science, and in fact we are all scientists in that way. And that is why today, as I had explained, Sir Dayal, the introductory remark about the celebration of this National Science Day, I take this privilege as a principal to welcome our chief guest of today, Sir S.B. Bla, the District Science Supervisor of the Education Department, Rymphang District. Once again, let's give him some. Our hearts should be open-minded so that we will learn new things every day that will help the students sustain their lives in the future and help them stand on their own feet.
Ngai ka bun ha kata kasap kapong duki kamtam ha kaliang science kidon ki idea ki batmai ki bangai I kamtam e baki snai katuka microscope daki niki waste product no daki niki ba nimpenon kamshu te barbor ka microscope te ki skol kan nong baram ba begin ke Kita katu ka idea bagi snai ke mikroskop bagi produk kalau banyarap shibun ya ki school kita di Bamla ban kit kita di mikroskop kita rem bikin mission nak ni idea bikin snai ki ya mikroskop ban kata ka di gawai ka idea ka pengai yang ni sakile ki model bagi snai ki long ki banyarap ki kena bakin kuliah nama dah kabaki Shina kita modal dah kabaki yoi kila ban semua bahaya.
Bat dah itu ki Khubor ngilapoi syakabukut tak haduk bengdai syambiang keblai shibot.